Hey, this is Randall with Business Sweet Painting. I want to show you how to repair a drywall crack. First, you take your tool. That's what we call it. It's a tool. It's a 5-in-1, 4-in-1, 6-in-1, whatever. And just drag your crack in your wall. Take off any excess. So drywall, mud, tape. You don't want to peel it all the way back. Take your carpet cutter or blade and then just score that where you want it to stop and peel it off. Sorry if the video's a little shaky. Got you hooked up on my ladder here. Alright, now that we've drug that out, I like to take this stuff. It's called Power Grab by Loctite, and it's heavy duty. It's an exterior construction adhesive. It has 0 grab. It dries pretty quick, and then pretty much 5-10 minutes maybe after you fill this, you can go straight back over the top of it with mud and your tape. I don't know what everybody else uses, but this stuff works. And it holds. It has really good hold. And just come through here and fill this crack. And be sure to fill it all the way up. Relieve the pressure. Always pull this back whenever you get down with your caulk gun. If not, it'll keep pressure on it and it'll keep running out. And if you have it hanging, it'll just keep drizzling down in the floor. And you can easily forget about it because, you know, you're busy, you're doing other things. Now that we've done that, we're going to hurry up and get like a small plastic spatula. One of these right here, they're just as fine, you know, they work just as good. And then just sort of go back over here and all this. And then take all that off. And then that'll leave a smooth surface to put mud on. Hey, it's Randall. We've let this dry a little bit. Now we're going to take some of this paper tape, just basic paper tape. I got a product here. It's a small job. Got a product here. Rapid Coat Low Dust. It's probably backwards, I don't know. But it's Rapid Coat Low Dust. We take that. Got our 2 knives here. I don't need a big trowel or any big mud bucket or anything for a job this size. Get our mud on here. And this stuff's a little thick, so you need to knead it a little bit. Or you could always add to that size bucket there. I don't know what size it is. But you could always add to it just a little bit of water. But first you put just a small layer on. Being sure to fill everything. trying to stretch it. It's one of them old sayings, do as I say, not as I do. What I'm basically doing is putting mud on here. That way, when I put this tape on, I'll have something to adhere into, but I also need to keep it thin enough to where I can still see the line that I'm mudding. Take our excess, put that off in the bucket. We're going to do this in a few pieces here. And you can cut it, tear it, whatever. People all do it differently. We're going to run it on there. And you take your two mud trowels here. Take this putty knife or trowel, whatever. Just hold it in place. Put the other one up against it. And drag it bad boy as hard as you can. And that just secures the tape in place. And then come back, fan him in. Get this mud out of here, excess mud. That's less sanding for later. More mud you take off, less sanding you gotta do later. Take a little of this mud, put a little bit back on there, bring it back across the top of this, just where it's going to connect at. You don't want to go too far over. And then repeat the process. Some people will be like, "Oh, you're tearing the tape. What are you tearing the tape for?" It really don't matter. As long as you make it secure. Put that on there. Start at the top, work your way back into the tape. So we're going to hold here. And bring it right back over the top of that other tape. Yeah, get a little bit more mud. Go back over the top of that tape seam here. Set that down. Then we're going to run us another shorty. And it's going to go straight across the top here, just like so, right back into that other one. And we're going to start on the very far end, work our way back into the tape. Get that mud off their ceiling. Tape's good. We'll let that set up for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll put some more mud on it. Right now we're going to sand some of this decorative stuff off the walls. There's painted birds and leaves and vines and stuff in here, so we're going to sand that smooth because it's real rough. And we're going to fix one more small crack, something similar to this but way smaller. This is our instructional video. I appreciate y'all watching, and I look forward to talking to you again. This is Randall with Business Suite Painting. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and check out our website, www.businesssuitepainting.com. Thank you. Have a blessed day.